India in Chicago organizes its flagship annual cultural celebration Kala Utsav 2024 at the Yellow Box in Naperville, Illinois. The event provides a platform for Indian American artists and cultural organizations from across the US Midwest to showcase their arts. The Consulate General of India in Chicago once again celebrated the richness and diversity of Indian culture with its flagship annual event Kala Utsav 2024 held at the Yellow Box in Naperville, Illinois. This year's Kala Utsav was a resounding success, drawing artists, cultural organizations and enthusiasts from across the US Midwest. The event served as a grand platform for Indian American artists to present their talents and for the community to immerse itself in a day of vibrant artistic expression. Kala Utsav 2024 featured an impressive lineup of performances showcasing the depth and variety of India's artistic traditions. The intricate footwork, expressive hand gestures and powerful storytelling of the dancers captivated the audience, providing a perfect start to the cultural festivities. In addition to classical dances, Kala Utsav 2024 also celebrated the folk traditions of India, offering a glimpse into the diverse cultural landscape of the country.
Every year you can see that the standard is increasing. There is a competition among various groups. Today the Mohiniyattam, the Kuchipudi, then the Christian Malayali dance. Those are something even in India sometimes you don't see of that standard, of that classical standard, that devotion. And I saw some of the young little girls. They are amazing. They are as good as you can get anywhere, even in India. So it's a matter of great pride. It's a matter of some realization that you belong to a country with such diversity and such exceptional different expressions of high and deep culture, and something that we are adhering to for probably thousands of years.
Yes.
So this is once again a reminder that all of us, all the people of the diaspora and also the friends of America, this is a culture you can hardly find, a country that you can hardly find another equivalent anywhere in the world.
Kala Utsav 2024 was a vibrant celebration of Indian culture, offering a rich tapestry of artistic expressions that ranged from the traditional to the contemporary. It was an event that not only showcased the talents of Indian American artists, but also reinforced the cultural ties that connect the diaspora to their homeland.